Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SD card to your Motorola Moto G53. For that you want to go ahead and take a look for your SIM card slot, and on this phone it's on the side here. We're going to take our paper clip and put that in the little hole and take the SIM card tray out. We have our SIM card here, and then there's space for an SD card. And I'm going to take my SD card and put that in. And now I'm going to put the whole thing back in. And now we need to put in our SIM pin again. And then we're back in the phone. And if we go to our settings now and go to storage, we have our device here, and if we click on it we can choose the SanDisk SD card. Now you can go ahead and put like your music or whatever else on here and well have it on your SD card and not on your phone. So that's how you insert a SD card to your Motorola Moto G53. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.